Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Ruhan Technologies. In this video, we will learn the basics of the Arduino. What is Arduino? Arduino is an open source electronic platform based on easy to use the hardware and software. It is mainly built small electronic projects like home automations, automatic street light applications, robotic designs, and much more. Why you should learn Arduinos? It is useful for the beginners who wants to learn the embedded systems and IoT, and you can build many real-time projects like the fire alarms, water level indications, all those. It helps you understand the electronics and programming in the practical way. And next one is the advantages of Arduino. The main advantage is it is very low cost of the board. It is an open source platform and it is very flexible with working of the many sensors, motors, displays and modules like. And similar way, if it is very small and easy to carry the anywhere. All those are the advantages coming from the Arduinos. This is the Arduino Uno board. Before going to the Arduino Uno board, if this Arduino family consisting of the more number of the series are there, Arduino Nano, Arduino Mega, Arduino Pico, Arduino and Wi-Fi module is also available nowadays. But why we are selected as the Arduino Uno board? If it is most popular board used in the more number of the electronic projects designing point of view, that is the reason we are selected as the Arduino Uno. So let's go into the pin configuration of the Arduino Uno. The first part of the Arduino Uno is microcontroller. This black chip is represented by the microcontroller and the name is Atmega 328P. It is the brain of the board. It stores your code and controls all operations. Whenever we upload the code from your computer, it is stored here. Next one is the USB port. USB port we use it to connect the board to the computer. It helps us upload the code from the Arduino software and also power the board. And next one is the power jack. This is the power jack. If we don't want to use the USB, we can connect a 9 volts of the battery or a DC adapter here to power the board. And next one is the voltage regulator. This small component is the voltage regulator. It controls the voltage and keep it safe. So the board does not get damaged from the extra voltages. And next one is the crystal oscillator. Crystal oscillator it keeps the timing. And next one is the ISCP. ISCP means in circuit serial programming. It is used to program the Arduinos directly. And next finally we go for the pin configurations. If this Arduino Uno board consisting of the digital input output pins, if this digital input output pins is represented from here 0 to 13, if this 0 pin is represented by the receiver and 1 pin is represented by the transmitter pins. And next if this digital pins overall 14 digital input output pins are there, but if this pins some more of the pins is represented by the PWM pins. So how to identify the PWM pins? If these pins before we are observing some sinusoidal symbols are there like 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11. All those sinusoidal symbols before the pins, all those pins is represented by the pulse width modulation of the pins. And next going to the analog pins. If this analog pins is represented from A0 series to A5. And next going to the power pin section. In this section, the several power pins are here from 3.3 volts, 5 volts, V in. All those are given to the power supply to the other components. Next going to the ground pins. If these ground pins likes provided the negative power supply to the batteries and sensors, all those. These are the pin configuration of the Arduino Uno board. Thank you. Thanks for watching. In the next videos, we will do some simple projects using Arduino and sensors. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.